Hello everyone, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 23rd to 29th November. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. Now in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself in this week, in your career, business or money situation, or what challenges or obstacles you could face, if any, so that you can handle it better. So this is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check the other video as well. So let's start. This is for Leo. So Leo's career, business, money, general energy, spirits and guides, universe and guides. Please help. 3 shuffles. Leo, career, business, money, spirits and guides, angels and guides. Please help. Leo's general spirits and guides, career, business, money situation. Please help. 4 of Pentacles. Let me see here. 9 of Cups. Queen of Pentacle. 2 of Pentacle. 3 of Swords and one more card. 8 of Swords. So Leo, what I see is that maybe you will feel restricted with your, this is for it's about stability, it's about using your resources wisely, using your money wisely. Do not overspend, do not attend parties, do not overindulge into shopping or going out. That's what, because you could have limited resources, you could there could be an issue of liquidity in funds. Maybe your funds will be tied up, and so refrain yourself. You need to realign your needs. That is what I get here, to rethink about and prioritize your because I see here that with this 9 of Cups coming, maybe you are spending a lot on buying or buying things, and so just use your resources judiciously, and do not overindulge into shopping, because you could find yourself in a restricted liquidity kind of situation here. Your money may be tied up into different, even in business, if you are buying something, selling something, there could be liquidity issues here. You will not have funds. The funds will be stuck in the different projects or different business aspects that you are dealing with. So just refrain from overspending and using your resources well. This is what I get here. Queen of Pentacle with the, so again it shows here that Queen of Pentacle is working hard, putting all the effort, being doing this is like deals happening, projects happening. You are at your best in bargaining, you are getting deals for yourself or for your company. At work also, you are putting in all the effort that is required, heart and soul, into the work. That's what I get here. Yes, and you are investing money, or because you are buying something, selling something. Already I mentioned that you are putting the money at the right place right now, and you are being good and caring towards your family too, towards family, or towards your subordinates, or people with whom you work. 2 of Pentacles. So there is lot of work happening, Leo, for you here. There is like balancing, lot of balancing you are doing. It could be that you are balancing 2 projects at a time, you are balancing 2 business idea at a time. It could be balancing a business and a job. It could also be balancing home life, personal life and professional life, because after that I get this card of heartbreak. Maybe there could be an issue at your home or your workplace regarding something. Heartbreak is like disappointment. In this, there could be a small disappointment, an argument, a fight, which will leave you hurt, pain. You might be in hurt, pain. That is what I get here. So what I feel here is that you need to deal with ease and calmness. These situations need to be dealt with calmness, because here also there is 8 of Swords energy. 8 of Swords is like, do not overthink. It is a card of being into depression, feeling alone, feeling left out, anxiety, depression, whatever you say. But these are the energies like getting stuck in your head. Your thoughts are making it big. It's like, the issue isn't that big. Even if it's a argument or some conflict at your home or your extended family or in office, you need to deal with calmness. You need to deal this with ease. Do not go into arguments and lose your temper. So try to refrain from that. Also, you need to come out of the stuck energies, because this is self-limiting energy. You have limited, you are stuck in your head about certain thoughts. You are stuck, so you have to come out of this energy, of this binding, self-binding energies here. That is what, only then you can focus on your work. You can see the real picture. You can make the right decisions. This is what I get with this card here. Yeah, so basically this week it shows that you will be working hard. You will set your eyes on some big projects. There are deals happening also. In Pentacle, you have Four of Pentacle, Queen of Pentacle. So when it comes to Four of Pentacle, let me tell you that you have invested money somewhere. That money is there, but there may be liquidity issues. There is a stuck money here and there. That's what I get here. With the Queen of Pentacle, like you are further growing for your future. You are working towards a future. You are working towards a short-term goal and long-term goal, Leo. That's what. And you will be handling all this situation in a very intelligent, logic way. You will get projects, you will get deals out of your way that you have worked with your intelligence, being there at the right time, at the right place. That's what will get you deals, deals or assignments, or you will be appreciated for the work that you do in your company. You will be acknowledged too, for this work that you do as a Queen of Pentacle, really focused and using intelligence, being logical, and doing a great businesswoman she is. So this is just the energy. It may be he or she, but these are the energies here. So this is it seems that there are certain family issues you need to solve first. If you and do it with calm and ease, it will reflect in your work situation. If you are calm and ease at your family situation, you will see that you will do more this work, either business, money, or any situation with much more enthusiasm. That's what I get here, with high energy then. So Pentacle card, there could be some settlements, previously coming to you with the Two of Pentacle card. Settlements means like, if there was some pending money that could come to you in this week. Yeah. And Queen of Pentacle, money coming from deals, brokerage, buying, selling of land, share market, bonds, mutual funds. So settlements, some settlements coming to you. Definitely some sudden money will come as settlement for some of you here. And buying, selling, rentals, leases. So this is what it's coming here, finance wise. Yeah, so this is it for this week, and see you in the next week. Hopefully you like the readings. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.